Hi, this is Chef Sara, and today we will be making a strawberry rhubarb salad with strawberry poppy seed dressing. And most of the produce today was donated from Luscher Farms, and we'd like to thank them for all their donations, and let's get started.
Ingredients needed for today's dressing include 1 cup strawberry slices, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of poppy seeds, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Ingredients needed for today's salad are a 1/2 cup of roasted rhubarb, a 1/2 teaspoon of honey, a pinch of salt, 1 to 2 cups of spinach and or romaine lettuce, a tablespoon of carrots, 2 tablespoons of blueberries, 2 tablespoons of strawberries, 3 tablespoons of pecans, and 3 cherry tomatoes.
So first we're going to make the strawberry poppy seed dressing, and you're going to want a food processor for this. So we'll add our strawberries first, our Dijon, our lemon juice, honey, and vinegar. Now we will add the oil. And then we will add our poppy seed, salt, and pepper, and just really quick, couple pulses. And there we go. I did a mixed salad, and I put a little carrot top on top for our base. And then I will add a little bit more carrot to give it color. This is rainbowed carrot. And then our rhubarb that I roasted with a little bit of honey. Some strawberries. Blueberries, since it's summertime, pecans, a couple of cherry tomatoes. You can dice them up if you'd like. And then for our dressing, and you can also add chicken to this if you want to add a little bit more protein, steak, a really nice steak. You can add other toppings other than what I have. Just whatever you like. And there you go. Quick and easy.